Namaskar. I, Zishanur Rahman, welcome all the participants in one more recorded session of National Workshop on Statistical Analysis of Biological Data. The topic of this lecture is Visualization of Life through R. This lecture has been recorded by Dr. Dhiraj Kumar Singh. Dr. Dhiraj Kumar Singh is an associate professor in Department of Mathematics, Zakir Husain Delhi College, University of Delhi. He has an experience of more than 10 years teaching and research. His area of research is in Information Theory and Cryptology. Dr. Singh has published more than 30 research papers in journals of international repute. He is Matrix Fellow of Department of Science and Technology, Government of India. He is also Deputy Co-Coordinator of DBT Star College Scheme, Zakir Husain Delhi College, Government of India. He has visited Mathematical Research Center, Poland in the year 2011. At present, he is supervising 3 Ph.D. students in Department of Mathematics. He has attended many international and national conferences, seminars, and workshops in India as well as abroad. He is a joint secretary in the Forum of Interdisciplinary Mathematics for the year 2020-22. Dr. Singh is a member of various academic committees in Zakir Husain Delhi College. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Thanks to organizers who have given me an opportunity to share my views on visualization of life through R. I believe in the real life. Life means data. Each and everything around us is data or in form of data. In day-to-day life, we are using data or analyzing data or visualizing data or creating data. But we do not know what we are doing. Suppose in a housing society, 500 families are living together. It means there are old persons, young men or women, children of each group, of each age group. For me, this is a data. For a food company or a mobile company or a local government or politicians, nowadays we are just data. They are using the data for their development or development of the society or anything else. These are totally my observations. I have been fascinated by theoretical biology and the relationship between the models and data, and the feedback between statistical analysis and conceptual developments in the area of infectious disease dynamics in particular, and ecological dynamics in general. We have been facing COVID situation since March 2020. It's almost 2 years now. We get the information on a daily basis through news channels or government websites that the total number of infected people or total number of recovered people or total number of deaths. All these are data. The use of mathematical models to understand the infectious disease dynamics has a very rich history. Professor Carmack in 1927 introduced the equations for general model popularly known as standard SIR model. We can solve this model or predict the situation through the statistical software R. So these all are data. Now, what is R? The R is essentially an environment for data manipulation, statistical computing, as well as graphical display and data analysis. R is just like any other software. There are different types of softwares which help us in mathematical calculations and statistical data analysis. Similar to them, R is another software, but R has an advantage that R can do data manipulation, R can do statistical computing, as well as simulation. R is capable of graphical display, and R can also help us in doing different types of data analysis. Just like another software, R also has an effective way of data handling. So it can handle the data easily, and it can store the input and output of variables. This can store the outcome in the form of a scalar as well as in the form of vector or a matrix. In our software, simple calculations are possible, as well as complicated calculations are also possible. The biggest advantage of R is that this is free software. There is zero cost, and R has an open source. What do you mean by the open source? For example, if I try to use any software, then we really do not know in the most of the cases what is happening inside the program. Usually, we simply give the input and we obtain the output. What is happening in between, that is usually unknown. But this is not true in the case of our software. It is not like a black box, but it is open source. This is uploaded on the website of R, and anyone can look into the program and see how the computations are being made. One can do the mathematical operation, logical operation. One can provide the loops for repetition of the program, as well as one can do the modular programming. Usually, when we try to execute any program on R, then there are some error messages. If there is some problem in the programming, and these error messages are helpful in identifying the problems in the program. These are the basic things. Now, I will tell you how to install R projects, how to install R software. You simply go to this website, or you can simply type in the Google R software, R software. Enter R project for statistical computing. This is. There is download to R. You have to click download on R. So once you come to this home page, on the left hand side, you can see here, that there are different types of addresses which are given. Zero Cloud, Algeria, Argentina, Australia, Austria, Belgium, Brazil, Bulgaria. So actually different people in different countries have uploaded the software. You can click on any one of the link. It will open the page for downloading the software. You can click here. Okay. You can click in Austria. Also there. Okay. So you can just click over here, whatever you want. And then once you do it, then you will get the software over here. For the example, I can show you here that once you try to do it here, I have done through Austria, I think. Austria. Download for R Windows. Just install R for the first time. You can see over here, and here you can see that you can download the things. And you will get the window like that. This is called R console. This is the R window. You can do here, just write 2 plus 3 and shift plus enter, execute the program. 2 star 3, shift plus enter to execute the program. Input 2 plus 3, output is 5. 2 star 3 is input, shift plus enter for the execution of the program. You will get the output 6. Now there is another. Now we come to the another aspect. Whenever we are working with the R software, we have two options. Either we can directly work with R software. We can execute the command inside the R software. And the second option is that I can take help the supplementary software. Supplementary software, which works inside the R from outside. I repeat this sentence. The second option is that I can take help of a supplementary software which works inside the R from outside. So there are different types of software which are available. I am going to use a software called as R Studio. So R Studio is essentially a software which helps in the execution of R software. And besides R software, there are other types of softwares which are also available, but I am using R Studio. R Studio is also a free software. because it is open software, open source software, and this can be freely downloaded from the website from here, or you can type the Google R Studio like this. There is an option download free. You can download it from here. Install R Studio, require 3. This is not download R Studio for the desktop. Click here, you will get the R software. This is the icon for the just see this icon for the simple R and this icon for the R Studio. Just see, in R there is only one window, but in R Studio there are 4 windows. There are 4 windows. So first we need to understand what are the utilities of these 4 windows. Then we will try to understand how to do the programming later on. So you can see here in the first window, in which we try to type our command just like that, 2 plus 3. To execute this program, I have to run from here or 2 star 3 or through keyboard control plus enter. So whatever commands we want to execute, either single line command or say multi-line command or entire file of the command, we try to type over here. We can edit here. The second window, in the second window is here. Here whatever variables you have defined in the program, here whatever variables you have defined in the program, they will appear here just like that. 2 plus 3, 22 multiplied by 3. So the advantage of using this R Studio is that you can always see what variable name you have given in any particular task. So in the blue line, 2 plus 3 is your command, and the black line, 5 is the result. 2 plus 3 is input, 5 is output. Now come to the third window. Environment is empty. Third window. If you try to see here, this is a very familiar window. This is nothing but your R graphical user interface window. Now there is another window, fourth one. Look here. There are files, plot, packages, help, viewer. This has different type of things. I can open the file. I can load the packages or update the packages. Not only this, I can view my different types of graphics over here. This is the beauty of RStudio. This is the beauty of RStudio. Now, come to the first program. For this, first we have to write get WD. Get WD means you have to know in which directory you are working. In which directory you are working. Get WD. At the present scenario, we are working in document, but I want to change this one. It means I have to tell the path set WD. Set WD. Parenthesis open close double quote. Path means where I want to save my file. I have create a folder on desktop or any other drive, C drive, E drive, F drive, whichever you want. I have created a folder here, visualization of life. Click here. I have taken the path from here. This one, copy and paste. Change this slash to backslash, forward slash to backslash. This. Execute this program. Just Control plus Enter. Now check get WD. Save this file. Today is 23/01/2022. Sorry, 2022. Now you can write each and everything. 2 plus 3. You can do any simple addition, multiplication, division, any binary operation, simple calculations. You can work on this RStudio as a simple calculator. First of all, using the combined command for making the data. The simplest way to create a sample to use the C command. There are two types of entry which we like. One numeric, another one is text items. Means numeric items as data we want to enter, or entering the text items as data. Suppose x equal to C command. C command. I want to enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whenever we want to enter the numerical items as data, then numerical data do not need any special treatment. You simply type the value separated by comma into the C parenthesis open and close. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 5, 2, 1. Anything means numerical data. Again, I repeat, Numerical data do not need any special treatment. You simply type the values or numbers separated by commas into the C command. Okay? Then execute this program. Control plus enter and call X. Control plus enter. C 1 2 3 4 5 6 5 6 9 5 2 1. Now I want to create another data in which data 1 defined as C. I can write X, the previous one, and 10, 11, 21, 09, 8, 50, 41. Look, data 1. Control plus enter. You can see. I can simply say that we can enter the data in the first case X, but we can manipulate the data in the second case data 1. Now second thing, text item means text means the data you require are not numerical. Text means what? The data you require which are not numerical. Then suppose names. I have entered names. This C. My name is Dhiraj Kumar Singh. Dhiraj Kumar Singh. Can I execute this program? Control plus enter. There is a error message. Unexpected symbol in the names. C. Dhiraj Kumar. Just see. Then what to do? Then again, names. This C. I have to write text because Dhiraj Kumar Singh is not a number other than numeric. So other than numeric data, if you want to enter, then we have to double quote Dhiraj Kumar Singh. It means if the data you require are not numerical, you simply use the quotes to differentiate them from numbers. Execute this program. Control plus enter. Call names. Control plus enter. There is Dhiraj Kumar Singh. There is no difference between using the single or double quote. R will always convert them all in the double. Again, name. If C. C means combine the data. Is the simple way, most simple way to combine the data or collect the data. Or for C command is always using for making the data or entering the data. If I have to write Dhiraj, I have to write Sunil, another name. Sunil. If I Tabassum, Ratnam, R-A-T, name, N-A-M-E-S. C. Dhira, Sunil, Tabassum, Ratnam. सभी के सभी डिफरेंट टेक्स्ट है. So there are two sample, one for number, another for text. Now I have to analyze my class. In my class, suppose 50 students. Then what to do? How I will analyze my class? First thing, look, NAMES, names one, different name. C. Suppose text. Text. First name is Ram. Second name is Rahim. Okay. Rahim. Third one is Abdul. Fourth one is Ram, Rahim, Abdul. Is Sundosh, Harshita. This is single quote. This one, Harshita. Okay. Mathematics. Again, how much marks they have obtained in the mathematics paper? 32, 35, 65, 43, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 43. Okay, this one. Now chemistry. See, 21, 12, 98, 47, 50. Look, zoology. See, 65, 54, 23, 12, and 100. Now, what to do? Combine. C, B, I, and D. First, NAMES, names. Second, mathematics. Third one is chemistry. Fourth one, zoology. See, all information concerning my class is here. Names of the student, their marks in mathematics, chemistry, zoology. Another way to write much beautiful, that is called data frame. Basically, data frame is a two-dimensional object. That is, it has rows and columns. R treats the columns as separate sample or variable, and rows represent the observation. All the data frames are rectangular. Then what to do? I have create a variable name my class. My class. Look, there is a command data dot frame parenthesis open close names 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 1. See, mathematics. Second one is chemistry. Third one is zoology. I call my class control plus enter. Look, it looks better than the previous one. Okay, if I want to interchange chemistry and zoology, then what to do? My class, two ways. You can create another variable name my class 1, or you can change here. केमिस्ट्री एंड जूलॉजी, यहां से इसको कॉपी करके उठाया, यहां पेस्ट कर देंगे, उठाया, रन करेंगे। नो, ये कंबाइंड में हो गया, ये यहां हमें करना है। यहां से रन किया माई क्लास, look, so in this way we can observe or analyze my own class in the simple way. Now there is another analysis. Before that, I want to show something. Just suppose a variable name x and command is sequence. Minus pi, the minimum, comma, plus pi, maximum. And I want to generate the data between the minus pi to plus pi in difference. First element to second element is 0.1, 0.1, or you can create 0.01, no problem, or 0.01, no issue. But I am creating 0.1. Now call x, you will see. Then length gth of x is, look, 63. There is a number between minus pi to pi in difference between first element to second element, 0.1. Total length of this sequence is 63. But if same number, just see, same command, this same command seq minus pi, comma, pi, minus pi to pi, 0.01. Look, 0.01 is here, 0.01 is here. Then x, just imagine length of x 6 to 9. This is the beauty of R. I can see each and everything on my screen. Okay, look. Now, if I create another variable y in terms of x, okay, sin x. This is a trigonometrical function, sin x. Okay. And now we want to plot. The command is plot. How? First variable is x, second variable is y, and control plus enter. Execute this program. See. In the fourth window, this is the graph of sin x between minus pi to pi. There is x, there is y. Okay. Look, one thing more. Another command. I want to name this graph. Then how it is possible? Plot x, comma y, comma main equal to quote plotting a sine function. Plotting a sine functio function. Okay, let's check. Plotting a sine function. Look. Now I want to change this y. It means I have to 1 minute, please. This I have to simply write here y level, y lab level equal to double quote sine x and control plus enter. Look, sine x. Next, I want to change the color of the graph. Very beautifully. Just wait. This one. What to do? I have to simply write here color type. Color, first one, color, COL equal to which color you like. I like blue. BLUE. Control plus enter. Look. Okay. Another people like red. 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 You can see. Now I want to plot in a single plot two different functions. We want to plot two different functions in a single plotting xy axis. Is it possible? Yes. Is it possible? Look, plot by left sin x. Then I have to. Okay, no problem, no issue. No issue, no issue, no issue, no issue, no issue. Plot x comma y comma main equal to double quote plotting plotting a plotting a sine and cosine functions. Okay, and comma y level equal to simply quote, nothing else, and color of the graph I have to COL equal to double quote, simply write blue. Okay, and another line, second one, x comma cos x cos x comma and color of the graph color equal to quote red, and I have to select both series and run the command here. Something error, unused argument color, something wrong. Something wrong. This is the just something wrong, which is wrong. This is plotting a sine and cosine function. It's okay. Line x, yes, there is missing s, lines, not line. Look, if I want to listen, then look, just copy. Cosine here. Plus type of the line equal to quote L. L means line. Okay, and type L line cos x, and I have to add here one thing, legend, 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 and double quote position of the legend, top left, top left, top left, comma C. First function is sine function, that's y, sine x. Second one is cosine function, cos x. Okay, now fill equal to color of the graph, that is C, color of the graph, sine function through blue, That's why I have to write blue the first position and red the second position. And I have to run all these three lines. See, this is the real beauty of the art. This is the real beauty of the art. Now, this is the visualization of the data. Basically, I want to analyze my class again through another process. Suppose there are 50 students in my class. Some of them pass the examination. Naturally, some of them fail the examination. In the examination. It means 70% pass and 70% fail. Here, I want to analyze only for the 10 students because 50 is a big number. But we can analyze if we have time, then we can analyze. Means roll number 1, 3, 5, 9, 10, 11, 15 all are pass and remaining 6 students fail. Suppose result SULTS results. C P for pass, second again pass, third fail, fourth pass, fail, 1, 2, 3. This is pass, fail, pass. इतने हुए length LEN GTH results किया RESULTS results just control plus enter. Something wrong, object results not found. Okay, this is my fault. Results okay, 8. I have to 1, 2, 3. Okay, G 1 is fail, another one is pass. Suppose execute this program, just this length of my class is 10 students. What to do? There are 6 students who have passed and there are 4 students who have failed. Here frequency, statistics come into the picture. The number of observations in a particular category is called frequency or absolute frequency. But frequency is a number. So we have to convert all these P and all these F into a number. Then easily results 1. Suppose I convert because we have to analyze the data. P for 1 and F for 2. 1, 1, sorry, just see. Third one is 2, fail. again pass, again PF1, comma PPF112, 1 P2 1, comma 1, comma 2, comma 1. Okay. LENGTH. Length RE results 1. Just see 10 number. No value. Means the number of observation in a particular category is called absolute frequency in statistics. There is another word, relative frequency. This total number of students in my class and the length of the students, total 10. Means 60% pass and 40% fail. This is the relative frequency. The relative frequency, by definition, relative frequency is nothing but the absolute frequency divided by the frequency or length of the class. Okay. Then table, just a command, just see how I will know. Table RESULTS results 1. See. Oh, there is one mistake, I think. यहाँ से ये हटा दो, यहाँ 2 डाल दो. For the convenience, nothing else. ऊपर में हमारे पास सिचुएशन वही है. Now this is for pass 6, for fail 2, number 4. There is a table, and I want to know the relative frequency. This is the frequency. Table means frequency. Table, TEBLE. Table. This RESULTS results 1 divided by LENGTH, length of the result SULTS results 1. (0.6) and 0.4. This is the relative frequency. This is the relative frequency. In a single click, हमें ये पूरी जानकारी मिल जाती है कि हमारे क्लास में कितने स्टूडेंट्स फेल हैं, कितने स्टूडेंट पास हैं, परसेंटेज क्या है उनका, पूरी क्लास की जानकारी हमें मिल जाती है. दिस इज द ब्यूटी ऑफ आर. एक छोटा एग्जांपल और देना चाहूंगा, जस्ट सिंगल एग्जांपल मूव, बिकॉज 2 types of data available in the system. One is grouped data, another is ungrouped data. This is called ungrouped data. Now I have to analyze the grouped data. If volume of the data is much bigger, then what to do? Suppose मेरे कॉलेज में करीब करीब टीचिंग नॉन टीचिंग स्टूडेंट्स मिलाकर 3200 के करीब स्ट्रेंथ है. मुझे सबकी एज को एनालाइज करना है, स्टूडेंट्स के भी, टीचिंग के भी, नॉन टीचिंग के भी, लैब स्टाफ के भी, नॉन लैब स्टाफ के भी, सबके. मैं उतनी बड़ी डाटा के बारे में अभी एंट्री करने में टाइम लगेगा. मैं एक सिंपल सी कैलकुलेशन के बारे में बात करता हूँ. हाउ इट इज पॉसिबल? सपोज एज is a variable. Enter. I'm entering the data. 15, 7, 16, 21, 35, 45, 64, 60, 21, 32, 54, 34, 45, 45, 34, 65, 64, 60. Just see length, GTH, length, age, 17. ओके, 6-7 का और ले लेते हैं. 43, 31, 21, 32, 45, 78. No, 70 is not, 8 is not possible. So 56, 57, maybe just run. 24, one more put here. Another one is 21. Okay. Control plus this. This is ungrouped data. I have to convert this ungrouped data into the group data. What to do? What is the meaning of group data? The arrangement of ungrouped data in the form of a group is called the frequency distribution of the data. So what to do? First, I have to check the range of the ages. Simply write range age. Minimum is 15, maximum is 65. Very good, good number. Then I have to break because I want to convert the ungrouped data into the group data. How it is possible? Okay, I have to write a command grouped, ROU, group, or suppose age 1. Okay, this is just a variable, you can change. SEQ command, SEQ. 15 is minimum, maximum is 65, and 5. Difference between first and second, 5. This one, ANS 1. Just see. Okay. Oh, sorry. Age. 15, 20. This is just sequence. Okay. After that, age dot cut. Just a variable name, nothing else. Cut is the name of the command. I have to cut age. Okay, I have to divided it into the age 1, second one, and RIGST. Oh, sorry. Yes, RIGST equal to FALSE, false. Age cut, right? False. Yes. See, age dot cut. What you will see? Look, but 65. This is not true. It means right. फिर 15 का हमारे पास तो है ना, तो मुझे एक काम करना चाहिए. राइट फॉल्स में भी वो 15 का चला जाएगा, 10 कर देना चाहिए. यस, यहाँ ले लो, या मुझे 10 15 में 15 10 में आ जाएगा, तो 70 कर देते हैं. This one is 70. Then this is false. F-A-L-S-E. False. No, this is correct. 65 का हमारे पास इसमें है, और इसमें 65 जो है ओपन इंटरवल में आ रहा था, तो ओपन 65 को भी तो हमें कंसीडर करना है, अदरवाइज हमारे वो गलत हो जाएगी. ठीक है. नाउ टेबल, TABLE, टेबल dot, no, table is this one. I have to write age dot cut. Look, 15 से 20 चुके. This is the grouping data. This is the table of the grouping data. Okay. 15 से 20 के बीच में 2 लोग हैं. 20 से 25 के बीच में 4 लोग हैं. 25 से 30 के बीच में एक भी नहीं है. 30 से 35 के बीच में 4 हैं. 35 से ऐसे 65 to 70 के बीच में एक पर्सन है हमारे कॉलेज में. अब यहाँ से हम फ्रीक्वेंसी टेबल बना सकते हैं. ये फ्रीक्वेंसी हमारे पास मिल गई. इसका मतलब यहाँ से हम क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी बना सकते हैं. व्हाट टू डू? और इसको और अच्छे से देखना है तो मुझे कुछ नहीं करना. मैंने लिखा CBIND कंबाइन. ओके, रॉन्ग कमांड. BIND, you can check here. Table ब्रैकेट में दिया, हमने दिया age dot cut. ओके. मैं इसमें और अच्छे से इसे करता हूँ. मैंने क्या किया, मैंने इसमें लिखा फ्रीक्वेंसी. तो फ्रीक्वेंसी है FREQUENCY. फ्रीक्वेंसी FREQUENCY फ्रीक्वेंसी. ठीक है. मैंने इसको कुछ नहीं किया. मैंने इसको यहाँ से उठाया और मैंने इसको इस पूरे टेबल कट के जगह मैंने इसको डाल दिया, और भी आसानी से हो गया. CBIND. ओके, आ गया. अब मुझे क्या करना है, मुझे क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी फाइंड करनी है. ठीक है. वर्ड क्या आता है, MULA टिफ. ठीक है. इतना बड़ा नहीं लिखते हैं. क्यूमुलेटिव अंडरस्कोर FREQ फ्रीक्वेंसी, नेम ऑफ द वेरिएबल. कमांड क्या है, कम सम, क्यूमुलेटिव सम. ठीक है. मुझे किसका क्यूमुलेटिव सम करना है, फ्रीक्वेंसी का. FREQUENCY, सॉरी, CY. run and call CUM underscore FREQ. This one. Okay. Now I want to see both of them in a single table. CBIND. One is FREQUENCY. Second one is CUM underscore FREQ. Look. The easy way. Cumulative product CUM underscore PROD. Oh, sorry. This is not the command, this is just a variable. Come PROD product, यहाँ लिखा FREQUENCY look CUM come product C bind में लिखना है. C bind में मुझे कुछ नहीं करना, मैंने इसको यहां से उठाया, कॉपी किया, मैंने यहाँ पेस्ट किया, मैंने यहाँ पर तीसरा ऐड कर दिया CUM product. Look, this is the beauty of R. Okay, I want to plot a density, then plot den SITY. No. Age. Look. This is the Gaussian kernel. We generally call it Gaussian kernel. We can save this file. In this way, we can analyze the data, we can create the data, we can plot the data, we can enter the data. And one thing I just want to give the overview. If anybody given me a data in the CSV file, Excel file, then what to do? I have a data in my folder. Look, this is cancer patient data. This is the secondary data of a group of 250 patients underwent the chemotherapy. Then how to read? I just want to, before finishing the just LUNG control this READ dot CSV, this just, oh sorry, double quote lung1 dot CSV file. Okay, wait, VIEW, and the command is LUNG. The file name is lung cancer. It means I can analyze, I can view the data provided by any company, data provided by Worldometer. Easily we can analyze this type of data. This is the beauty of the even in this data we can analyze each and everything. Thanks. Thank you, everyone.